Hi guys, it is moving day for the chickens. So they are over here in their swimming pool set up. How many weeks are they now? Three and a half. Yeah, so I think they're 3.5 weeks old and it's time to get them out of here because they stink. So we're gonna move them to the property.
They need more space.
They need more space and we need more fresh air. So
yes.
All right. Okay. Okay, this ride's not the dangerous ride. This one's fun. This ends in freedom. All right, we got our trusty dog, kids, and we have the water cube that prepares us for a zombie apocalypse. How do they do? I don't know yet. How is everybody? Oh, everybody's just plastered to the ground. Okay, but Jill did good. Scary part's over. Here's the coop that we were working on in our last vlog. And it's doing pretty good. It still needs a roof. Well, that's a nice door though. And then we just need to put the animal proofing, the wire all around this part here so that nobody can dig in and get in, so hopefully shouldn't be too long. Famous last words. Should I take them out one by one, you think? Okay, do you want to? Okay. All right, here we go. Go explore. This is lovely. Okay, so as we fix up this, we have 2 panels put together and there's a gap. Oops, I don't know if you can see here. Okay, there's this gap right here. And so I'm gonna go through and zip tie these together while Rob is putting the roof up there. And it's nice, it's not windy today, so they should just lay down and put them on. So hopefully this goes fast, but I say that every time and it's not so fast. Good job. Okay, very nice. All right, and how about right here? What a helper. Okay, quick trip to D&B. Rob's gonna stay working on the edge or on the sides, and we just need some chick feed, and we also need some more fencing for around the, well, or like the hardware cloth to go around the edge of the coop, just so no predators can get in. We were a little short with what we had, so quick trip and then back to maybe finish this up.
This one? Here? Oh, thanks.
See some friends over here. cows? So we bought this waterer here, and we opened it up. It didn't have a little white lid, so I just went back to the store, opened it up, and voila, there is a white lid. So now I'm going to set it up, and this should, it says, continuous flow of fresh water for your birds. So hopefully this will just hook it up to a big rain barrel, and then it will moderate the water, and then they should have water. So anyway, okay, I gotta get to work. Okay, so we finished up what we were going to do for the most part. We have one little situation here with our waterer right here. It's leaking where the hose hooks on, so I guess more work for you to do tonight. But otherwise, the chickens are happily settled. They're plucking at the grass. I don't even know if they like the grass really, but I don't know.
Like
They're
it.
seeming having fun. So they've got their food set up. They do have water for the moment. You need to adjust when you come out again the float valve there, just because it's too low. But anyway, okay, I hear someone tired and hungry, which is me and also somebody else. So we're gonna sign off. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.